Don't know if I'm going to need the oven ready tonight, but I'll tell you something, I've missed the inflatable mattress. It gives it so much structure. Oh, fuck yes. Issue with throwing is the nerve damage and tendon damage to my shoulder. Throwing things is awkward. Fucking nice. I'm not going to fuck about too much with the line. It's too late in the day. I just want to crash out with some music. Just chill for a bit. So I didn't bother bringing all the other power cord. Just my nice new one, 15 meter. The reason I'm doing it 2 lengths, there and back, that means I've got double the width to hang my Bergen on. I mean, it's unlikely to damage the top flap on the Bergen, but it's less strain on it, basically. So all I've done is, at this end, bowline, so it's a nice loose knot on the branch, wrapped it around 2 or 3 branches down there, so it's got more of a flex rather than just one thing tying it to, and then back through the bowline here, which means I can hoist it up and lower it down. To get this off the ground, away from any bugs. Don't like bugs. Honeybees are different, they're useful. Drinking. She must be this brain dead. water in there, haven't I? But the reason why it's so heavy is I got about 3 litres of water in there. Half pitch, in line, and it won't come undone unless some squirrel comes and fucks with it. That is just the right amount of line. Eventually I'm going to put that, the little rain tarp, on top. I'm not going to bother right now. I may not bother with it tonight. I may just put it on top of my guy rope to keep it off the ground. But yeah, I'm sweltering. So the setup is the inflatable, which I've not had for a couple of weeks, is in there. It gives it a nice bit of structure. It is really, really hard to lie on. But yeah, very tempted to go and get the 2-person inflatable. Very tempted, but that's fine. I was tempted to use the radar building, because they've got rusty old metal bars on the outside of the windows. They're about 10 foot up, but I could have put a strap on them and then extended it with the cord to a tree. But I was looking at all the horse shit and I think I still don't fancy getting my ass nibbled by a horse in the night. At least here, that's not going to happen, I hope. Most of the bugs seem to have eased off a little bit. So with the power cord set up, 15 meters is perfect because the hammock itself is 3 meters long from stem to stern. So yeah, that's probably 10 meters of it used with 5 meters of it over. This is hooked on, just the flap. 1 bottle in that bag, 1 bottle in that bag. Hip flask, topped up and in there. I only really drink about maybe a quarter, a fifth of that, so it's not much. Maybe 2 doubles, 50 milliliters, maybe I drink. It's not a great deal. It's literally just like a little nip. But yeah, that's the setup. Pretty much done. No pissing about with a fire or... I mean, yes, I'm going to miss having nice... I've had, I think, 2 or 3 weeks now where I've had a nice hot cup of coffee, sweet coffee in the morning. But I just wanted to go less. I'm still bringing 3 litres of water with me, but still. I'd rather have too much than not enough. And of course, I've got my... Did bring some food. This is roast pork I did last night. So, something to snack on. I can't open it here because the bugs will come from miles around. Hear things in the trees. It's squirrels. Honestly, it's squirrels. I have actually seen squirrels up here. I think they got chased up by those pricks on the mountain bikes. Because that's part of the track there. They've been destroying the trees with. And it kills the tree roots. But there's nothing for the squirrels to eat up here. They're not a fan of acorns, not when they've got sweet chestnut trees. So they only come up here when they get scared up. Little buggers. Anyway, music, crash, chill, pork. Yeah, this is where it's quite handy, these little bags. Because that's the air mattress bag, holds a bag of water. That's the sleeping bag, which now has water in it. I've got a helmet sack, which normally has my thermal jacket thingy in it, jumper in it. And that's the big one that has the oven ready, which may or may not get used. I probably will use it when it gets dark and like niche, my snuggle valley sort of thing. I can hear bigger things moving. It could be sheep. I mean, the sheep are just in that field. But yeah, it's kind of minimalist. But even though it's minimalist, most of the weight was 3 litres of bloody water. It's still comfort. I mean, if I wanted to go real minimalist, I wouldn't have bothered bringing the air mattress or the sleeping bag. Anyway, music, pork, booze. I haven't had a piss for 5 hours. Shit. No, piss.